Okay, so first let's open this and see what all it has inside it. So as you can all see, it has quite a lot of things, and we'll let you know the uses of all the things that it has separately with a demo in the later part of this video. So yeah, stick to the end to know more about what all it has, what are the uses, is it beneficial to you, to us or not. So let's move. So as you all can see, there are different kinds of cutters that's available with this set. So I guess there are 6 of them. So let's have a quick look at them. Then we will move to the demo part quickly. So here comes the demo part. We'll show you whether this cutters works or not, how they work and all. So now it has the set has hole in it to fit the cutter. Now let's have a demo. Okay, so you have to hold it a bit tightly to avoid any kind of injury, but it's working quite well. So now you can see, yeah. So now we will move it. I would suggest just give a push from the backward and it will move out easily. So now the next one is this one. It's a chips cutter, again fit in the same way. It has hole in it. So now let's see how this one is working. I'll again say hold it a bit tightly while using it to avoid any kind of injury. It's working quite well. It's just that you have to hold it a bit tightly. So now let's see. Okay, so they're quite good for making chips and all. They are not very thick, they are not very thin. The size, I guess it's perfect. Okay, now so fit it properly and just see, to fit that white one, it has a small place to just fit it properly. So now let's move to the next cutter. Again fit in the same way. Okay, so now let's see how is it. I guess it's perfect. See, it's not very thick, it's not very thin, it's perfect to have that slight fried potatoes that we have sometimes that children loves. I love it too. So yeah, now let's move to the next one. I guess it's similar to the previous one, maybe a bit different in the sizes, a bit thick one. So now let's see, we have this one also. It's quite interesting. I took time to figure it out what it actually is. So you can fit whatever you are cutting in it like this, and now you can hold the top and you can use that to cut it. Now this will prevent from any kind of injury. So personally, I found it very interesting and very useful to prevent any kind of injury or cut or something. So it's quite well. I like it. I loved it. So now let's see how the cuts are. So as I said, it was like the previous one itself. maybe a bit different in sizes. It's a bit thick one. So now we have another interesting thing in this set, and a very useful one is this brush. So now it becomes difficult to clean these cutters, but this brush is making this job quite easy, and you can use it to clean mainly the cutters, and a very useful thing in this set. So now let's move to the next one. So we have this peeler as well. So now let's see. It's good, but I think it's a bit small to use for me. So now that varies person to person. So now it has another crazy use. So basically, you can wash the vegetables or the fruits, whatever you have cut, in these same vessel itself. It has pores in it from which water will drain out. No need of again transferring it in another vessel or something. So yeah. So now this has its another great use. So basically you can use this as a fruit basket or a vegetable basket when you're not using it for cutting, and it has stand in it, a proper stand. So there is nothing fear that it will fall down or something. So overall it's a great product. It has so many crazy uses. I personally loved it, but it has few drawbacks. It is not for very intensive cutting purpose and all. You can use it sometimes, but for other works like for draining out, for cleaning vegetables with water and all, for as a basket, for chips cutters and all, it's quite good. It's very good. You should give it a try, use it. And I got it for around 250 rupees when some deal was going on, offer was going on. So I would suggest you to buy that only during such deals. So if you found this video helpful and you liked this video, then subscribe our channel, and more new recipes and such product reviews and demo will be on your way through this channel. Till then, stay